Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to do the hard reset of your LG G7. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, you need to power off your device. And for now, press and hold volume down and power button together. After phone gonna wake up, release power button and one more time press it. So let's get started. Press and hold both key. Release, press. Okay. Release all button and now choice by hitting volume down, yes. Accept by power. One more time. Okay. And now phone gonna be erase all data from your phone, pictures and code. So now we're gonna start our phone with the new brand software without any password on the phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel and see you by next video. Hey.